spacious rectangular living and the dining space. With the L-shaped platform, all the white goods are done. Most spacious room of the house. Imagine waking up every morning with 360-degree open view instead of staring into your neighbor's balcony. Well, this is Zola by House of Jindal. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is your host Jeetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Zola by House of Jindal, located bang on OMR in Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. So we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the glimpse of our site. So I'm standing on the main entrance. The main entrance of Zola will be coming up right over here. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself. And the marketing office is on the left hand side, which is ready over here where you can check out their modern flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. What exactly Housey is and what it does. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So let's start with the project overview, where our project is spread across 2 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 residential towers, each rising from 2 basement ground and goes up to 33 high-rise floor, where you can choose between 3 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium homes, where we have only 129 units with 2 units per floor with 3 lifts. That's a perfect low density project with 360-degree open view. When it comes to amenities, where House of Jindal offers you 40 plus world-class amenities like of 20,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with mini theatre, infinity pool, kids play area, banquet hall, a landscape garden and many more luxurious amenities. Now coming to the location part, where our project is located bang on OMR, that is Old Madras Road in Budigiri Cross, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, where I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. And exactly in front of me is the OMR, that is Old Madras Road, where this road will take you towards Kiarpuram and the opposite side road will take you towards Hoskote. Now about the further connectivity part, so we have Decathlon in next 100 meters from our project, Budigiri Cross that is 800 meters away, and Oran Uptown Mall that is within 2.8 kilometers from our project. Now let's start our 4.5 BHK sample flight tour, which is of 2995 square feet super built up area. So the main entrance of our house is on my right hand side over here, but before that we have a separate access for the 0.5 room. So let's have a look at the 0.5 room. Here's the entrance, which comes up with the 8-feet door, and this is the room size, which comes up with the matte finishing vitrified flooring. Additionally, we have a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and even an attached washroom, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. We can use this room in a multi-purpose way. You can make it as a maid's room, you can convert it as a study area, or else even your home office. Now moving towards your main entrance. So this is the main entrance of our house. So before we step in, I would like to describe the dooring over here, which comes up with a teak wood finishing dooring. This is also the 8-feet door, which comes up with a digital door lock for your security. And even the privacy is taken care of with a massive foyer area where you can add up your shoe rack space. And this foyer area will lead you towards your spacious rectangular living and the dining space. So this is your living and the dining area, where we have the TV unit space right in front of me. So you can add up your teapot in middle and even the L-shaped sofa set or else your couch over here. Additionally, one thing to mention, they are offering you with a centralized AC, and even this is the 11-feet ceiling height. Living and dining area has a connecting balcony as well. So this is the connecting balcony. I won't just call it as a balcony but a huge deck area, as we have given this home as a sky deck concept, which comes up with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, a toughened glass railing, We have a planter box here as well, and you can enjoy a perfect view as they are offering you with a 360-degree open view. Now we have a AC duct on the other side. Now once we step inside over here, focusing upon this dining space, here we have the dining area where you can add up a massive dining table that is of 8-seater. One more thing to mention, that the flooring here is the vitrified flooring of marble finishing. Coming towards your kitchen area, so with the easy access to your dining area, we have the kitchen over here, the open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious, where you can add up your serving platform like this, and the interior work is done in your kitchen area to show how beautifully you can do your own interior with the L-shaped platform. All the white goods are done for you. With the cabinets, the provision for your sink area is offered over here, and we have the dry balcony, that is the utility space. The utility space comes up with anti-skid flooring, provision for your machine, and even with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. But before that, I would like to inform you about one thing, that Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers are not aware of their particular rights, what their rights are. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount and later on cancel your booking, you're in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct, or else after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is mentioned in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy your home, you must watch this series once. So go and check it out, as the link is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Now we'll be moving towards your bedroom space. So your 3 bedrooms are on the one side of the house, but on the way we have the puja space, that is a puja room. You can have a look over here. Now you have to take this passage area, and bedroom number 1 is on my right hand side. So you can call it as a guest bedroom. Once you step inside, you can have a look at the flooring. Each and every bedroom in this home will come up with a wooden flooring, that is a proper wooden flooring. Where we have the TV unit space over here, this is the massive window for ventilation and lighting purpose with the mosquito mesh as well. You can add up your bed like this exactly in front of your TV unit space, and even your wardrobe can be fit over this side. Now exactly opposite to this bedroom, we have the common washroom. So this side is the common washroom with the easy access to your guest bedroom, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting with a shower area which is divided via tile drop. Moving towards your another bedroom, so your bedroom number 2 is right over here, which comes up with a foyer area like this. Again, this bedroom comes up with a wooden flooring, and this can be called as a kids bedroom. So there is ample of space to move around for your kids over here. You can add up a TV unit or your work table this side. We have a massive window again just behind me, perfect for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is a bed space. And about one thing, that is your wardrobe. So your wardrobe can be fit right over here. And we have a cross ventilation window, a cross window as well. So this is a cross window, perfect for cross ventilation, so that the ventilation is maintained from 2 sides. Now this bedroom comes up with a private washroom. So we have a private washroom right this side. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings, where the shower area again is divided by a tile drop and even the partition. One thing to mention, there is ample of space just behind the door, so the storage is maintained perfectly. You can even add up a wardrobe this side. Now about your bedroom number 3, which is on my right hand side here. So again, once you enter, we have a foyer area so that your privacy is maintained, and this is the semi-master bedroom. Again, once you step inside, you can have a look at the flooring and the ample of space. We have a massive window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is the TV unit space, so you can add up the bed right in front with a side table. And here's a cross window for cross ventilation. You can fit in your wardrobe right this side. Now, of course, this semi-master bedroom is also going to be coming up with the private washroom. So your private washroom is right this side. Focusing upon the private washroom, which again comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the shower area is divided by a tile roof and even the glass partition. Now about your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is placed on the other side of the house. So the layout is in such a way. Now before entering towards your master bedroom, I would like to introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So basically Housey is here with actual location tour, with sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of each and every project, with the payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are only under Housey.com. What are you waiting for? Go and schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about your master bedroom. So without wasting a single second, we'll be entering towards your master bedroom. And this is the entrance for your master bedroom, and this is the most spacious room of the house. Again with wooden finishing flooring. Sorry, not the wooden finishing but a proper wooden flooring. Here we have the massive window with a mosquito mesh, perfect for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can add up your TV unit right in front, and this side is the bed space with a cross window for cross ventilation. You can add up your work table right over this side, your couch as well if you want, and we have a massive space for your wardrobe. Talking about the master washroom, yes, your master washroom is placed again in front. Again, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the shower area is divided via partition. So this was all about this project. How was this sample flight? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Budigiri location. Have you checked another project in Budigiri? If yes, then drop down in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.